Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And right here I have two packages in front of me. One from DHL, the other one I got locally. Now, I know what's inside the packages, and I have something cool for all my subscribers as well. So stay tuned, let's dive into the box and let me explain you what's happening. You guys already might see some logos around the box. Yes, this is the newest Insta360 R. I've been waiting for this camera. I don't even know how long. I ordered this back when I saw this at CES, which was January 7th. And I ordered it the next day, and they took nearly a month and a half to get it delivered. Now, I used the promo code CS2020, and I believe this is the Insta360 selfie stick that they give you for free. Yep, so you got the stick right over here. But this is the Insta360 One R Twin Edition camera. So now, let me show you what's inside the second box. I reached 5,000 subscribers last week. I decided to do something special for all my viewers, and I ordered a second one. Now, I'm going to be giving this one away, so stay tuned for the details on the giveaway. You don't want to miss this out. They're both twin editions, so one of them might be yours. Now, let's put it aside and let's do an unboxing of this. Let me switch the camera angles for you guys, and let's see what's in the box and what comes in it. Before we dive into the box, let's take around the box. I'm sure many of you guys already know the specs, but it's a 5.7K 360 capture, 4K wide angle. Let's see, flow, state stabilization, waterproof, invisible selfie stick, auto frame, and edit. It has hyperlapse, point to track, voice control, 8x slow motion and 4x slow motion 360, HDR, and night shot. Let's see what's in the box. You got the core, dual lens 360 mod, 4K wide angle mod, battery case, mounting bracket, lens cap, and charging case. And yeah. All right, let me reposition the camera angle one more time for you guys. Here it is. So we got the screen, we got the camera right here, and then we got the 360 camera right over here as well. Dual lens, f2.0, 7.2 millimeter equivalent. Let's set this aside right here. We got the base, and let's see what's inside here. We got a USB to C cable. Stickers. A little microfiber cloth. Instruction manual. And then we got the mounting bracket. Dual lens cap. Just like that. And the screws. So that's what's inside the Insta360 One R Twin Edition box, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing comparisons between the Insta360 One R, the quality of the 360, the 4K module, and also I'll compare it between the GoPro Max 8 and I'll do a low light comparison test for you and a bunch more. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.